So in this video, we'll discuss about the user inputs and the basic input-output operations that we can do in Python. So I'll just quickly jump to the slide. So to take the user input, you can directly use an input function in the Python. So as you can see here, input is a function in which I've just entered the input, enter your name, that is in text or a string what I've given, and this helps in prompting you a page or a window that I'll just show you to now. So maybe you can just check it here. I'll just copy paste in the PyCharm and we can run here. So it's asked for enter your name in the console. You can just enter your name, maybe Shawan, click enter. So then you'll be getting that print statement with hello and the name, right? So this is one way of how you try to create an input argument for a Python. Right, the basic outputs what you will be getting printed is like if you want to have a name along with age, if you want to print, so the name has a string of lis and the age has an integer of 30, so directly you can have the print of name with an arithmetic operator plus sign and this name variable, right? So this will give name as an lis and the age as 30, right? So you can just if you want me to just run this in PyCharm, I'll just run it for you so that you'll be much more confident how exactly you'll be getting this. So this is the way how you'll get name is an ls and age is 30. So plus sign is nothing to do with here, right? So it's a string concatenation what is happening here, as I've already stated in the previous thing where the string concatenation is happening, and here it is an integer, so you need to place with a comma. Okay, now we'll be getting with the formatted outputs. If you want to have any formatted outputs, like if you just instead of directly giving us plus, you can have this f as an syntax, and you can keep this name in the inverted commas, so that you'll be getting this print name as an ls, again print age as 30. So I'll just show it you on the screen. The same functionality that is observed here, what we are getting using this arithmetic operator and this comma operator, we can directly use this formatting also. You'll be getting the same old output in the console with the name as an ls and age as 30. So this is another way instead of giving the arithmetic operator and comma operator. And if you can also give using dot format, this is another method. This is nothing but f strings only. This belongs to the f string class and it is available only above Python 3.6, right? So this also gives the same result. So I'll just show it to you. You can just run the main, you'll understand. So you'll be getting the same result. So here you are placing the inverted commas empty and dot format name. This name actually in the previous example has been present here and age is present here, and the f is, or the dot format in that f is positioned outside this in the print statement here, right? So but it is a different way or a different representation of the syntax in order to get the same result. Okay, so now I'll just go how to read and write a files. So maybe you can just check here. So this is the methodology how to read a file. So with open and the file name what you want to read, the read as a motion right. So with the read as the preliminary thing, we will keep R as a file, and we'll try to read that file what you are extracting from sample.txt. So from sample.txt file, everything has been placed in file, a temporary variable. In that file.read, everything will be placed in the content. Now we are trying to print that content. So before that, go here, I'll delete this. So we need to have this sample text and output text. Output text is for the next syntax, right? So the sample text should be present in that location. Maybe I'll just go to that location. You can go open in Explorer. You'll just see this sample text. So here there is he welcome to Shavan technology. So this is present here. So that should be read and it should be present in the console. So that is what is our requirement. So we're just going to that. We'll just copy paste this syntax with open sample.txt, which is already present in that location. We'll try to print the content which is present there. Okay, we'll just go to PyCharm. We'll try to run this. Yeah, so you got in the console he or hi, welcome to Shravan Technology. Now, something we need to write to open.text, then what exactly we do, or what is the syntax we need to follow? Anything present in open.text? I'll remove this. So now nothing is present in the open.text. I'll save this. So now we'll just, instead of R, we need to make it as W. It's a write mode. So you can see that is a W, write mode. Now nothing is there to read. We need to write. So file.write, and anything present, what you want to write, that should be placed inside the braces of file.write. I'll just copy paste and I'll just show it to you in the PyCharm. So this is some text to write to the file, blah blah. This is the stuff that need to be written to the file, that is output.txt. We'll run this, or you can just use this one here present. So now it has been written. We'll just go to that location and we'll just check. So this is output.txt. So you can see it has been written. This is some text to write to the file that has been written from the PyCharm. Okay. Hope you understood this video. So we'll get to the next video.